the real place to be good students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my beloved students, before starting the subject of English, let's start it by reading Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, students, you're fine today, aren't you? Well, I'm fine too. Today I have a question for you and you must answer it. If you meet someone and you have not known his or her name, what are you going to do to him or her? Okay, who can answer? Well, the students of Sampai Jimmy. Okay. I would like to explain about the lesson of English today by using PPT. I just read the English. Okay, please pay attention well about my explanation. Okay, my students, today we are going to study about how to introduce yourself to someone or your friends or others. This is very important when you have a friend or when you meet someone. Absolutely, you want to introduce him or her, or you have a friend. When you want to introduce him to others, this is the topic today. Here is the example of introducing. Please pay attention and see this PPT from me. I just read the English. Okay. First one, hello everybody, how do you do? Okay, everybody, now I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Joko Suseno Marto. My nickname is Marto. So you can call me Marto. I live in Gresik. I am a student of SMP Jimmy Gresik Full Day School. I am 13 years old and I have phone number 085730580474. Okay, go on. Yeah, please pay attention about the pronunciation in your way. You can practice by yourself about this expression. Okay. Yeah, go on. Yeah, there is a bird. It is flying. The expression of first introducing yourself. Ungkapan memperkenalkan pertama diri Anda kepada orang-orang lain. Okay? I just read the English. Okay? I can because you can see the Indonesian by yourself by seeing this PPT. How do you do? It's nice to meet you. My name is. I am 13 years old. I am Indonesian. I come from Indonesia. My nickname is, my full name is, you can call me, I live in, I am a student, I am a blah 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 or an, I am a student, I am an engineer, I study in, I study in SMP Yimi Full Day School. My phone number is 0508730580454. Okay, my hobby is singing. My favorite food is nasi padang. Okay, I read quickly. Okay. Okay, students, the following phrases are the expression of introducing. Okay, I would like to introduce myself to you. Okay, may I introduce myself to blah blah blah. The example, may I introduce myself to you. May I introduce myself to Novia. I would like to meet blah blah blah. You can mention whoever your friend. Mrs. Nia, I would like you to meet my director. May I introduce blah 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 to you. May I introduce Olive to you. This is the example. Would you like to introduce yourself to me? Jika menggunakan would you like, it is one of the sample about the polite, kesopanan. Ya. Okay. May I introduce you to the same as before? May I introduce you to Lupita? Yeah. Wouldn't you introduce? Yeah. Wouldn't you introduce your younger sister to me? Yeah. Would you please introduce your name to me? You can use would you please. There is the word please. It means polite question, polite offering. Example, excuse me, would you please introduce your name to me? This is so polite because there is expression of excuse me, would you please introduce your name to me? Okay, may I introduce you to blah blah blah. I repeat again and again in order you get the meaning so familiar in your ear when you listen the pronunciation in English. Yeah, would you mind introducing your family to me? Would you mind? This is the polite one of how to introduce. Would you mind? Because there is the word of mind, so the verb use gerund or ing form, introducing, not introduce. If there is the word of mind, so it's followed by ing form or gerund. Example, Mr. Brown, would you mind introducing your family to me? Mr. Brown, would you mind introducing your family to me? Mr. Brown is one of my nickname when I stay in my village. All of my neighbors called me Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. But the real name is Subroto. Okay? My nickname is Mr. Brown. Once again, Mr. Brown. Allow me to introduce. You can use the word of allow. Allow, the meaning is perkenankan. The basic one is mengikuti. Allow me. This is the topic of today is about introducing. So allow is translate into Indonesian perkenalkan, izinkan. Okay, the next. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce one of the speaker from America. Yeah. Okay, the next. Yeah, okay. It gives me a great pleasure to present blah 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 to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to present someone to all of you. Okay, example, it gives me great pleasure to present the best English speaker from SMP Yimi, Gresik Full Day School, to all of you. You know the best speaker from SMP Yimi? Okay, I think all of the students here have known the best speaker from SMP Yimi. Okay. The notes, catatan. Please get the concentration from 7A, 7B, 7C, and 7D. This is the note. If you introduce yourself to someone, you should mention, menyebutkan your name. Example, my name is, or my names. And if someone introduces himself to you, so you must answer by saying, how do you do? And then complete by the following expression. Yeah, the first meeting you can say the expression of how do you do, and you can complete the following expression. Okay, go on. It's very nice to meet you. It's very glad to meet you. It's very happy to meet you. It's very pleased to meet you. This is the standard expression. Yeah, and the meaning into Indonesian is senang berkenalan pada Anda. The conclusion like this. Okay, the next. Ya, menyenangkan sekali bersahabat dengan Anda. I am happy to see you. I am glad to see you. Yeah, okay, you can use happy, glad as the adjective. To see or to know is okay. Ya, saya senang berkenalan dengan Anda. It's pleasure to meet you. You can use pleasure. Use the verb of meet you. It's okay, never mind. It's a pleasure to know you. You can use the verb. The verb of know. The same as see, meet, know. Puts off. All of them are the standard expression of English in introducing. Okay. Yeah. Well, go on. Yeah. It's very nice meeting you. You can use the verb of meeting. I think it is the standard too. The meaning is the same as before. Yeah. I am glad to make your acquaintances. Acquaintances is kenalan. Yeah. I am glad to make your acquaintances. Sahabat. Well, now, how to introduce your friend to others? When you have a friend and you introduce your friend to others, this is the expression. Okay? Yeah. All of us absolutely have a friend or many friends. For example, a friend from school, a friend from others. And here is how to introduce your friend to your father or mother, or you want to introduce your friend to another friend. Ya. Oke, kita semua tentunya punya seorang teman atau banyak teman. Contoh, seorang teman dari sekolah, teman-teman dari yang lain, dan di sini adalah bagaimana memperkenalkan temanmu kepada ayah atau ibumu. Atau kamu ingin mengenalkan temanmu kepada temanmu yang lain. Okay, let's see the expression. Okay, the following are the expressions of how to introduce others. Yeah. This is Aisyah. This is Siti Aisyah. For example, hi, my mother, this is my friend. This is Siti Aisyah. Mention her name. She is a religious student. Yeah, mention the profession. Okay, this is Agung Setiabudi. Okay. He is a soldier. Agung is a man or boy, so you can change he as the pronoun. She is 12 years old. Mention about the old or age. I want to introduce my friend to you. Aku ingin mengenalkan temanku kepada kamu. You can said the word of excuse me. I want to introduce my friend to you. Tony, this is my friend. This is my new friend. She is Siti Aisyah. She studies in SMP Jimmy Gresik Full Day School. Okay, the next. Have you met Azizah? Not Azizah, Azizah. Yeah, the mistake about the writing. Sudah kenal dengan Azizah? Would you like if I introduce you to my new friend? Sudikah atau maukah jika aku memperkenalkan kamu kepada temanku? The next, ya. Okay. Do you know Angga? Apakah Anda tahu Angga? Atau apakah Anda kenal dengan Angga? The word of know you can translate into Indonesian kenal. Do you know? Apakah Anda tahu? I would like to introduce my friend to you. Yeah, may I introduce you to my friend? Please allow me to introduce my father to you, and so on. Let me introduce you to my English teacher. Let me izinkan. Let me izinkan saya. Let me introduce, izinkan saya memperkenalkan. Okay, and so on. Here are the responses if you are introduced someone from your friend. Ini adalah jawaban-jawaban jika kamu dikenalkan seseorang dari kawanmu. Okay? Kita ikuti. Let's. No, I don't think so. The meaning is sepertinya tidak. No, I haven't. Aku belum. Atau singkat belum. No, I haven't. I haven't known him yet. Saya belum kenal. I haven't. And verb 3, it is the present perfect tense. The negative of present perfect tense you can translate into Indonesian belum, ya. I haven't. Ya, I haven't known. Aku belum tahu. Hi, glad to meet you. I am Subrato. I am an English teacher. It's nice to meet you. Okay, how do you do? How do you do is one of the expression when you meet someone you never meet before. At the first meeting, how do you do? Digunakan untuk pertama kali jika Anda berkenalan dengan orang baru. Oke ya? Jadi how do you do? If there is someone say, how do you do? Absolutely, you answer, how do you do? Like this. Yeah. It's very nice to meet you. Senang sekali bertemu dengan kamu. Okay, ya. There are many same example. This I have mentioned before. In order you listen again and again and you are familiar to listen the expression of introducing. Okay. It's very nice to meet you. It's really nice to meet you. Really, you can translate benar-benar menyenangkan. Benar-benar. Yeah, okay. There are some words, some phrases of introducing all of my friends. Please allow me, I respond. Introduce, I stay. My uncle house. That's all. My phone number. Call me. Okay, here is the example of introducing yourself. Ini contoh mengenalkan diri. Please listen and see the writing. Good morning, all of my friends. Please allow me. Now I want to introduce myself. My name is Siti Aisyah, but you can call me Aisyah. I am a student and I study in SMP Jimmy Gresik Full Day School. I was born in Jakarta on 27th of December 2008. So I am 12 years old. And now I live in Gresik. I stay in my uncle's house. I stay in my uncle's house. My phone number is 085 730 580 474. My hobbies are singing, swimming, and shopping. Okay, all of my friends, that's all. Thank you very much. Okay, this is the example of introducing others. Yeah, this is the example of introducing others. Contoh mengenalkan seseorang kepada yang lain. Okay, there is Angga, there is Ahmad, Aminah. Okay, please listen. That's Aminah. Do you know her? No, I don't. Hello, Aminah. How are you? Hello, Angga. I'm fine, thanks. Aminah, this is my friend, Ahmad Jadid. Hello, Ahmad. Nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you too. Yeah? Okay. Okay, my students from 7A, 7B, 7C, and 7D. Please make the resume of this topic. I think you can make by yourself. After that, you can upload in Google Classroom or GC, okay? I think it is not difficult to master. The most important thing, you have time to study as well as possible. The important one is how to pronounce the words in English. Okay, pronunciation is good way. It's a good key to understand each other. Because there are many Indonesian and they don't understand about the English because the pronunciation is not good. If standard, I think whoever you listen absolutely you can understand what they say. This is the principle of how to master the English, especially in conversation. Well, students, now I in. If I have any mistake about my words or my phrases, especially my pronunciation, I absolutely apologize you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, study hard, keep health, and I say see you tomorrow or see you the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.